Available in 2 wheelbases to accommodate 5 or 7 passengers and in 3 trim levels, XL, XLT and Titanium, Ford Transit Connect Wagon can be built to meet the needs of any customer. A spacious, flexible interior makes loading cargo a cinch. Dual sliding side doors provide added convenience, and available roof rails extend its versatility with any number of accessories that can be fitted to the roof to haul bikes, kayaks, stand-up paddle boards or luggage. Ford Transit Connect Wagon's new instrument panel is centered on features that are both useful and straightforward: an available 6.5-inch floating touchscreen, a digital driver information center in the cluster, and available wireless charging for your mobile device. Coming soon, Waze compatibility will help drivers steer clear of troublesome traffic spots. Staying connected is easy thanks to the standard embedded 4G LTE modem providing Wi-Fi for up to 10 devices and available sync registered 3 with Ford+Alexa personal assistant functionality.